Love Power Reading, a step-by-step comprehensive guide program, is the world's one and only future system tarot reading daily. Unlock your power, change your life. Are you ready for a hot, steamy romance that may endure the test of time? You're ready for change. You feel it coming. You want to feel passion surging through your body like electricity and be taken like a real woman by a man who cannot resist himself. Discover things about this guy as you go and hope for the best, or use the little-known secrets of love tarot to read his mind, trigger unstoppable desire for you, and find out step by step exactly what he needs to see, hear and feel to devote himself to you unconditionally and forever, without him knowing why. If you're like most women, you'll feel your eyes well up as you read and recognize character traits you thought no one knew about you, when you learn exactly why you've been spinning your wheels in romance, and when you discover the secret love superpower that you've been given but probably don't know about yet. You'll reveal the different parts of your character that come together to form the unique energy that is you, and how to navigate, harness, and blossom with them. You'll uncover your hidden romantic talents and how to optimize them, along with your blind spots in relationships and how to correct them. Finally, experience the inspiring, heart-feeding love life you desire and deserve by discovering your soul's purpose and passions, and a simple way to manifest them. You'll see just how easily you can fall in love, no matter what you look like and at any age, and how to have the love you always dreamed of. What you will discover from Love Power Reading. Love Power Reading, this amazing program going to hand you the key to solving every relationship problem you ever have had. In fact, all your bad habits and patterns with men fall away once you have this key. It's a key to your subconscious mind that will unlock hidden wisdom and insight lying dormant inside you. You have the answers, you just need to uncover them. If you are tired of relationship games and would like to gain the unfair advantage to harness what makes you irresistibly sexy from the inside out, no matter your age or what you look like. Read the heart and mind of a man before he says a word, so you know his true intentions and can see if he's honest or not. See how compatible you are with any man in seconds, so you never waste time again. Weed out the wrong men for you like a gardener to make room for Mr. Right. Track down your soulmate faster and keep him as long as you want him for, because, yes, finally you are in control, not a man knowing how, why, and when you'll force him to fall madly in love with you. Manifest the fairy tale romance you dreamed of as a little girl, even though it may seem impossible now after years of failure after failure. Or if you're older and overweight, then do not miss a word on this page, because this will be the most important message you will ever read. Benefits you will learn from Love Power Reading. Here's how the ancient Sumerian symbols hidden in this innocent little deck of cards can bring passion, romance, desire, connection, and endless love into your life. This program will change your life forever. You'll be shocked to learn how many Hollywood movies use storylines from tarot, or how the archetypes shows up in your relationships. Tarot archetypes reveal most, if not all, of what makes us compatible, likable, desired by others, and what makes us fall in love. Just by asking the tarot a question, I can tell you what will happen in your love life. In your Love Power Reading, you'll discover the secrets of your true nature, inside and out. If you want to discover how to skip past bad men, attract the good men, and become the master of your relationship fate, the answers are waiting for you in your Love Power Reading. Pros: Love Power Reading is the fastest and easiest way to find your perfect match and keep him forever. Meet your perfect match with this treasure map of true love. You'll discover intimate, specific and accurate details about how you handle every aspect of your love life, from start to finish. Discover the amazing secrets of what kind of lover you really need to be happy, and specifically what kind of man he is, whether you know it or not. Using this program, discover the secret that puts you in control of your romantic destiny. You are getting your 12 customized keys of your personal profile based on your birthday, using astrology, numerology, and tarot. As a bonus, you can draw up unlimited profiles for any man whose mind you'd like to unlock and look inside. For life. 60-day money-back guarantee with absolutely no questions asked. Cons: Love Power reading is available only here. Without internet connection you can't access it.